Welcome back to Luxefluent, to another exciting installment of our series on high-paying skills that can elevate your life to new levels of luxury. And it would be amazing if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know about the latest trends in luxury and lifestyle as we share them. Let's get started. Number 1. Proficiency in reading, comprehension, and memorization. It's truly astonishing how so many people remain oblivious to the incredible power that books hold. Imagine, within just a few days, you can delve into the entire life experiences of another person and gain an unparalleled wealth of knowledge. The accessibility of valuable information, strategies, and advice has never been greater. A single book has the potential to completely transform your life, as a mere page can ignite a revolutionary idea within you. It's crucial to read not only for entertainment but for understanding, comprehension, and the ability to apply that knowledge to enhance your own life. Seek out books that delve into someone's personal struggles and the solutions they employ to overcome them. In the coming years, the average American will spend over 42 hours in traffic, a full work week wasted on observing the misery of others. However, this time can be wisely utilized by listening to podcasts and audiobooks. Utilize your downtime to invest in your own personal growth and development. Number 2. Self-reflection and analysis. The path to success lies in the ability to measure and track progress, a practice adopted by nearly every accomplished individual across various fields and industries. If your goal is weight loss, for instance, start meticulously recording your daily food intake and tracking your weight. Before long, you'll begin to grasp the direct impact of your dietary choices and level of physical activity on the numbers displayed on the scale. Once you recognize what benefits you, you'll naturally gravitate toward increasing those positive actions while minimizing the negative ones. It may seem obvious, yet many of us fail to track anything in our lives. However, when we embrace analytics, we gain a clearer understanding of our circumstances, from our actions to our emotions. Everything becomes subject to analysis, enabling us to obtain a comprehensive picture of what we're truly dealing with. Number 3. Self-respect and conviction. Have you ever reflected on your core values and what defines you as an individual? It's a crucial step in shaping your actions and asserting yourself. When you truly know who you are, you'll refuse to be pushed around or disrespected by others. How you treat yourself sets the standard for how others treat you. Remarkably, those who possess a strong sense of self-respect tend to earn the respect of society as well. It's awe-inspiring to witness individuals who fearlessly speak up when things veer off course, and who boldly confront injustice. These are the change makers who leave an indelible impact on the world through their unwavering actions. Think of Martin Luther King Jr., Malala Yousafzai, and countless others who refuse to compromise their beliefs for personal gain. They embody the strength of character that compels positive transformation and refuses to be swayed by mere material incentives. Number 4. Strategic outcome simulation. Imagine possessing a secret power that grants you an uncanny advantage in the game of life, almost like cheating. It's akin to having the ability to glimpse into the future and handpick the version of reality you desire. Each day presents you with pivotal crossroads, where you can pivot, select different options, and recalibrate your path as needed. This is where the extraordinary skill of foresight comes into play. Let's take the example of being torn between becoming a doctor or an engineer, just for the sake of argument. All you have to do is project yourself into the potential futures of each path, meticulously simulating the outcomes and determining which one resonates with you on a deeper level, and then wholeheartedly commit to it. The more intricately you can simulate these scenarios within your mind, the more accurately you can predict the most favorable course of action, leading to better decisions for your own fulfillment. Contemplate the potential course of your life if you continue dating a particular person. Will it bring genuine happiness, or is it merely a fear of being alone that's guiding you? Envision the circumstances unfolding in both the immediate and long-term future. The more variable you simulate, the greater your mastery becomes in predicting the likely outcomes. By simulating a range of arguments you could have with someone, you gain the ability to choose the path that yields the most favorable results with the least negative consequences. Too often, many of you jump into conflicts without analyzing the situation beforehand, only to later lament the undesirable outcomes. This is precisely why people find themselves replaying past moments in their minds, thinking, if only I handled it differently. But you can avoid that regret by proactively simulating the situation beforehand, granting yourself the power to shape a reality with foresight and wisdom. Number 5. Effective time management. The key to success lies in harnessing the resources at our disposal, and time is a crucial resource that shapes our lives. We all start each day with the same 24 hours. Yet, when night falls, some individuals have made remarkable strides while others have squandered precious moments. It boils down to one fundamental distinction: efficient time utilization versus wastefulness. The former paves the way for a fulfilling existence, while the latter breeds frustration and a sense of unfairness. Every single day, you cast your vote through the choices you make with your time, casting your ballot for the life you desire. Will you spend hours watching television or dedicate yourself to pursuing your goals? It's a seemingly simple decision, yet your current reality serves as a reflection of the choices you've made in allocating your time. When you gaze upon your surroundings, may you be delighted with the outcomes you see, knowing that you have utilized your time wisely. Before we proceed, feel free to share in the comments section which of these skills are you most likely to work on immediately. Once you're done, let's continue. Number 6. Generating valuable ideas. Imagine your mind as a vast fertile land brimming with potential. It doesn't discriminate. It will cultivate and nurture whatever you choose to plant within it. Some people wisely sow seeds of usefulness, while others allow weeds to overrun their mental landscape. When you prioritize the care of your mind, you unlock the ability to yield bountiful ideas that bring joy, success, and fulfillment into your life. However, like a tree, these ideas don't sprout overnight. They require time and nourishment to grow. By consistently nurturing your mind with positive inputs, you empower yourself to generate a continuous stream of improved ideas. Ideas hold immense power. They are the catalyst for wealth, success, and happiness. A series of valuable ideas can simplify your journey and gradually steer you toward the right path. Therefore, the key lies in focusing on ideas that hold true value, paving the way for a remarkable transformation. Number 7. Mastering step-by-step process breakdown. Too often, we fixate on the end result without truly understanding what it takes to get there. We yearn for that $1 million milestone but fail to break it down into manageable steps. How many sales do we need? What actions must be taken each month, each week, and each day to ensure we reach that ultimate goal by year end? This is the mindset of successful individuals. They embrace the power of mathematics and begin dissecting their aspirations. This is what separates plans from mere dreams and wishful thinking. The reason why those in STEM fields excel is that they are trained to deconstruct complex problems and solve them methodically, step by step. It's a unique style of thinking that grants them a distinct advantage over others. If you haven't learned this analytical approach through studying literature, it's time to adopt this mindset and gain an edge in achieving your goals. Number 8. Emotional intelligence and empathy. Whether we like it or not, navigating the realm of human interactions is an inevitable part of life. We are interconnected in a vast social mechanism that thrives on collective cooperation. The key to traversing these treacherous waters lies in mastering the art of emotional intelligence. Those lacking in emotional intelligence often find themselves growing increasingly frustrated, convinced that everyone despises them, and resentful towards those seemingly advancing unjustly. Emotional intelligence is a valuable skill, a proficiency in engaging with others, understanding their perspectives, effectively communicating with them, and inspiring their motivation. We are not mere machines. We experience ups and downs, hold different values, and react to diverse triggers. Emotional intelligence grants us the ability to perceive and comprehend these variations among individuals. Surprisingly, individuals with high emotional intelligence often outshine those with high intellectual quotient, IQ, in the journey of life. Their heightened understanding and empathy for others create a genuine desire for their success, establishing a foundation of support that propels them forward. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful. For more, make sure to get fluent, stay fluent by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.